Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation? S plus y is equal to 4, sy is equal to 20. Solution. Here, s plus y is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. And here, sy is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 2. Now, from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, xy is equal to 20. We can now substitute for y here, which is 4 minus x. S bracket 4 minus s bracket is equal to 20. Let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 4, this is 4s minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 20. Minus s square plus 4x. If you take this to this side, it becomes minus 20 is equal to 0. Now let's divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. This divided by minus 1. This divided by minus 1. And this divided by minus 1. You can also divide this by minus 1. S square minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, this is a, which is the coefficient of s squared. Then this is b, which is the coefficient of x. And this is c, which is the constant. S is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 20 over 2 multiplied by a is 1. S is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 20, that is 80 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 80. That is minus 64 over 2. And this is same thing as 4 plus or minus square root of minus 64 can be written as square root of 64 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 64, that is 8. Square root of minus 1 is I over 2. And this is 4 over 2 plus or minus 8 over 2I. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Therefore, S1 is equal to 2 plus 4I, and S2 is equal to 2 minus 4I. We've gotten the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 4 minus X. Now, Y1 is equal to 4 minus S1 is 2 plus 4I. y1 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 4i. y1 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus 4i. This is the value of y1. Then also y2 is equal to 4 minus s2. y2 is equal to 4 minus s2 is 2 minus 4i. y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 4i. y2 is equal to 2 plus 4i. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 2 plus 4i, 2 minus 4i. Then s2, y2, this is equal to 2 minus 4i, 2 plus 4i. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 4. Then sy is equal to 20. Let us consider this using either s1, y1 or s2, y2. But I'm going to make use of this. Here we have s plus y. This is 2 plus 2, 4i plus 2 minus 4i must be equal to 4. This cancel this. We have 2 plus 2 must be equal to 4. 2 plus 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Now let us consider this. sy, this is 2 plus 4i multiplied by 2 minus 4i must be equal to 20. 2 times 2, this is 4. 2 multiplied by minus 4i, this is minus 8i. 4i multiplied by 2, this is plus 8i. 4i multiplied by minus 4i, this is minus 16i squared, must be equal to 20. This cancel this. Then we have 4 minus 16 multiplied by I squared is minus 1, must be equal to 20. Here is 4 minus 16 times minus 1, that is plus 16, must be equal to 20. Then 4 plus 16, this is 20, is equal to 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.